Hey there, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty unboxing. My name's Amy Harber. Here's all the cool places you can find me on social media. Like and subscribe. This is the June Ipsy glam bag. The theme is make waves. It's all about, celebrating summer, which is pretty cool because we're in the dead of winter and I'm just now unboxing this. So consider this a throwback to think warm thoughts while you're freezing your butts off, unless you're watching this somewhere where it's warm all year. And then I hate you, but I really don't hate you. I chose to live here. Let's check out what the products are. Hey, yo! It's this cute little Ipsy bag with all these people, all these fabulous women laying on their beach towels. It's so cute. Make waves. I don't like that they didn't include the products on here. They just talked about maximizing your SPF. Kind of annoying. Let's get back to the products. Okay, so we have here Maëlle Beauty. It is clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips and Nectar. Kind of clear. Oh, look, it already broke. That's always a good sign of quality. So I'm going to put this in the freezer and hope to fix it. That's a little trick you can do. Put it in the freezer, see if you can fix it. Probably not. Probably going to have to depot it. Anyway, there's that. Then we have the OFRA Cosmetics Soho Highlighter. Let's just try this out. Get a little mirror here. Make it easier. Oh, yeah. There you go. You can see some highlight there. Definitely. Then we have Marc Anthony. Who knew that J-Lo's ex-husband, oh wait, not that Marc Anthony? Never mind. True Professional Bye-Bye Frizz. It's heat protecting leave-in conditioner. All important. I'm glad I'm just unboxing this now. Yay, procrastination. Because I blow dry my hair a lot in the winter. So this is great for when you got to blow dry your hair. Nanette Lepore Body Lotion. Colors of Nanette. Okay. I can't read any of this fine print. It's probably sealed so I can't smell it. Anyway. Body lotion you can never have enough of. And then finally, House of Makeup Nail Lacquer in Frozen. It's like they knew I was going to be procrastinating. Frozen so appropriate for what it is outside right now. Frozen. Yay, procrastination. Yay, doing throwback unboxings. I'm going to make waves. Pretend I'm on a beach somewhere, staying warm. Until next time. Stay beautiful. Oh, and don't forget, like, subscribe, follow, wherever the little box is in here. Toodles.